What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we start, I would like to let you know that this is not a financial advice. You can do whatever you wish to do with your money. I'm just a guy on the internet giving my opinion on this particular subject. And also, please like and subscribe to my channel, and also give me your opinions by dropping me a comment down. So before we start everything else too, I would like to take a sip of coffee in my Casper Maxi mug. Everything tastes better with Casper. Actually, yeah, everything tastes better with Casper. So, to begin this video, I don't want to make it too long. So, let's start with the numbers. Right? Since yesterday, it seems like there've been a little bit slight increase in the number of addresses. When we check here, people holding more than 10,000 coins, more than 10,000 coins in their wallet. So it has increased. It has gone up. So like it looks like everybody's beginning to wake up to the fact that Casper is an opportunity of a lifetime. And we see here addresses with more than 100 million. Only two. I think I'm suspecting that these two addresses probably is going to be Binance and Coinbase. And the reason why I think so is because they're accumulating coins, and they're also trying to the best thing they're trying to do is like they want to wait until the Rusty upgrade is complete before they become public about the listings, so that's why looking at that, it is moving really smoothly. So everything is going according to plan. Going to the Casper Twitter, let's see. On Casper Twitter, that's where I usually go for the most up-to-date information. As you see, like yeah, everything is going up. Oh my God, look at that. We have the 10 bps. I'm still amazed ever since that news came yesterday, because the almighty Bitcoin is not even a light year close to this speed. Imagine when we go to 100 transactions per second. Not even Ethereum. Ethereum is not close to that. Or the so-called Ethereum killer, Solana, that keeps crashing every time. For me, I think Solana is a shit coin. I don't know why people wants to spend their money on that coin. Anyways, let's go back again to the numbers, like what we are discussing right now. Looking at the charts, Casper looks very bullish. If you try to zoom it out, right now we're on the 4 hours. On the 4 hour, we are forming a inverse head and shoulders pattern. Right? We're still below the 200 EMA, below the ribbon. But anyways, if you look at it, the way I drew it up, and I see that here we are forming this inverse head and shoulder pattern, which has a breakout at 13 cents. If we can break 13 cents with volume, the target for this move is all the way up. Let's zoom out a little bit. All the way up to almost 18 cents on a dollar. Maybe my lines are a little bit up, but that's what I get. Some people saying this is going to be $19. But anyways, tomatoes, the same thing. We're getting up there to 18 cents. If you want to take opportunity and make you 10x your money, you can also try. You can try with leverage trading. If you decide to go leverage trading, like I said, this leverage trading is not for everybody. Leverage trading is not for everybody. You need to be very careful. If you do not know how to leverage trade, please do not put your money in it. But with leverage trading, if you have experience and you are confident, you can use both my affiliate links, which I'm going to put down there. Affiliate links to Phemex, and also affiliate link to Bydfi. Talking about those two, let me show you my trades, which are right now currently in profit in all of them. Let's start with Phemex. My Phemex Casper trade, I'm still up 31%. Yesterday or day before yesterday, I can't remember exactly, when I told you guys I was going to open up this trade, and I did open it. So I have it now 31%, and it's doing perfectly good. Let's go on the Bydfi. On the Bydfi, we have also there, I'm still up only 42%, because I just opened it out a couple of hours ago. but it's doing pretty good. So if you want to take advantage of this upcoming volatile move, because I think Casper, we already know how Casper moves. Casper moves like no other. We already know how Casper moves. When it moves, it takes off with excess force. We know how it moves, right? So if you don't believe it, let me show you. Like, look at this. Let's go on the weekly. On the weekly, you see that? This is Casper. That's the way Casper moves. Up, a little bit of consolidation, then it takes like absolutely mad cow. Up, a little bit of consolidation. Up, a little bit of consolidation. We had a triangle that broke out, came back retest, and now we have that inverse head and shoulders. Look at that. The weekly, look at the candle, the weekly candle, that doji candle, which shows you that right there. We've started the uptrend. So if you want to use the opportunity, you can at least go to leverage trading, or please, again, I will say it, I will not get tired of saying this. Please, just buy 10,000 Caspers. Right? It's not a financial advice, but if you do, you will thank me. You'll thank me later. You will. Seriously, you will. Just buy 10,000 Casper. So excuse me. Let's see. Right now, 10,000 Caspers. Let's see. If you put 10,000 Caspers times 11.6, 11 and 6 cents, it will cost you 1,160. That's what it will cost you, 1160. Let's say you do that and you decide to sell it at 20 cents. So if you multiply this times, if you multiply 10,000 Caspers times 20 cents, $2,000. So you will probably like easily make $900. $900 you will easily make with that move only. So again, for me, I wouldn't say for the short term. I would probably tell you to buy 10,000 Casper for the long term. Because like I said, I'm the biggest Casper bull out there. And I believe Casper will hit $10 this season. So yeah, let's get back into this, the main topic of this video. It has started. It has started. Y'all remember what happened to Bitcoin? When Bitcoin started, we had people, the only person that was bullish, almost the only person was Da Vinci. Da Vinci was the only one telling people to buy Bitcoin at $1. All right, but the main media, oh, it was going to go down. We had people on YouTube, oh, it's a shit thing. You're going to lose your money. If you put your money in Bitcoin, you are going to do this. It's like going to give a kiss to the devil. The same thing we're seeing with Casper. I told you guys it will happen. Yesterday or maybe last night, I was just browsing the internet. I came along with an article from Forbes. Those of you who read about news, Forbes is one of the most important news outlets or magazine in the United States, or if not around the whole world. And Forbes has an article about Casper. See? It's coming. It's coming. That tells me that big money is paying attention. Big people are paying attention. So Forbes begin with, oh, zombie is a zombie coin. That's how they begin. Before you know it, you will have the BlackRocks and everybody else and their grandmama who pumps they usually pump Bitcoin. They will try to get a piece of the action, right? By trying to get a piece of the action, what they will do is they will pump Casper. They will pump Casper. And you want to be in it right now. You don't want to wait until they pump it. Because if you're in it right now, it's normally those of them, like those people that are in a project. Everybody that gets in a project, when it's still risky like it is right now, is usually those that make money. All right? You don't want to wait until You know what? It starts coming on the CNBCs, on CNN, and everywhere else. Everybody, you know, stock market start talking about it, and that is another thing that people are not paying attention. I think there's going to be a Casper ETF sooner than anybody even thinks. That's why I believe Casper this season is going to go to $10. It's going to go there. You look at the likes of Cardano. Cardano went to $5 with nothing. And when you compare Casper with Cardano, Cardano had twice the amount of coins of Casper and it still managed to go to $5. What do you think Casper will do? That's why I think put the two and two together. And like I always say, if you know, you know. If you know, you know. Everything is just lining up for Casper. Next month we're having this smart contract getting released. And once the smart contract gets released, we are going to have the meme coins. We are going to have the DeFi. Everything else will start to go into it. And it all lines out perfectly, because by next month when they release the smart contract, I guarantee to you that Casper upgrade to the 10 BPS will be complete. Right? It will be complete. So the media, all they usually do at first is try to keep you away from what will make you all the money, because we know that wealth transfer is happening. How many of you out there have $60,000 to buy Bitcoin? And how many of you are out there who can afford 10,000 Casper today? How many? It is something that you got to look at. How many of you can do it? It's simple. You can afford 10,000 Casper before you can even afford one whole Bitcoin, right? And if you're in your right mind, I would say instead of spending $60,000 and buy one Bitcoin, I'd rather spend $60,000 on Casper. You're buying it right now, that will give you almost like 400,000 to 500,000 coins. With that, Casper goes to $10, you're a multi-millionaire, right? So yeah, it has started. They have started. Forbes has started writing articles about Casper. Soon you're going to see CNBC, CNN, and everybody and their grandmama. They will start talking about it. So do not be the one left behind. This is a one-time opportunity that you cannot miss. So please subscribe to my channel, give me your likes, give me your comments, and also turn on your notifications. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.